Here's a quick 1-minute tip. On my glass, I usually boost the blue in post-production. So I use 3ds Max and V-Ray Next as my render engine, Photoshop for my post-production. So this is a raw render straight out of 3ds Max. And here I have a layer called Photo Filter 1. If I set the opacity to 100, you can really see the blue in my glass. I usually drop that down to 40% so it's more subtle. So I'm going to delete that layer and recreate it. So in 3ds Max, I have a plugin called PSD Manager. PSD Manager creates a layer or a mask from every layer. So if I control click my glass layer and I go and apply my photo filter, I get that nice blue tint in my glass.